the AC compressor clutch wouldn't engage. It was getting power down there to the clutch, the AC clutch, but the clutch itself, the coil clutch, was bad, so I just put a whole compressor on it. Just want to show you here, real simple job. First of all, take your air cleaner box off, disconnect your airflow meter, one harness right there, disconnect it, get this box out of your way, take that clamp off your hose there, get that box out of your way, top cover, then this, all you have is two small bolts. I've already removed them. They're little 10mm bolts, two of them. It just comes right out. I'll wiggle it out of there. There we go. And I've already got just a 3/8 drive. What I use to get the belt off is a 3/8 drive breakover bar, because I didn't have enough room to get a ratchet in there. So just to break over 3/8, you'll see the hex down there on the belt tensioner, and pull back on it towards up this way to release that belt. Release your belt, and then once you do that, go up underneath here of the car. It's like I say, it's an easy job. Let me get up underneath here, I'll show you. Sorry about the noise. I got the pump running. Okay, there's the AC compressor. Let me get on the back side here so you can see it better. There we go. There it is. Real simple job. You got, just take your harness loose, this harness on your clutch, one bolt, there's another bolt right there, and one on the very back, three 13mm bolts, and then right up here, your hose assembly right here, there's just a nut right there, 13mm nut. Take that off, pull the lines off, and it comes right off, no big deal. Most important part of this job is getting the proper oil put in this compressor. Some compressors come with oil, and most of your new ones do not come with oil. It's only got test oil in it. So you want to make sure and put the proper amount of oil in these compressors. Look at your specifications and add the proper amount of oil to these things. Once you do that, like I say, I've got this vacuum pump running. I've had it on here for 45 minutes is usually there's my old vacuum pump. 45 minutes is usually good enough. It depends on how long the system is open. I'm gonna let this one. I left this one open for a few hours, so I'm gonna let it at least suck all the air and any moisture that might have got in there, but mainly air. Probably about another 10 minutes, then I'll be ready to charge it. And when you charge these things up, man, there ain't nothing to it. You can go by your specs, whatever it calls for. I always go by my pressure readings and my ambient air temperature. Like right now, today, it's probably 85 degrees. And what I'll end up with once I start filling it, probably about 35 on the low side. Once I start filling it, when it's full, I'll end up with about 35, maybe a little bit higher, and about 225 on your high side. And, you know, of course, these cars don't have sight glasses anymore. It's easy to tell when you get them all filled up, full of Freon, because on your suction hose, when you get them full and if the system is working properly, right here on your suction hose. It's going to be cold all the way down there to the expansion valve, all the way to the compressor. When that line is cold all the way from that compressor back there to the expansion valve, you know you're full of Freon. So I hope this helps you out. Pretty easy job. Nothing to it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps out.